Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to combine two images in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then go to File, Script, Load File into this text, Browse, and select multiple images or two images. Example, use two images. Click OK. Then zoom out. Hold Ctrl, select two images. Again press Ctrl T. Hold Shift, resize your positions. Adjust your image positions. Then select top image. Create a layer mask. Then select color black. Brush tool. Right click. Hardness without opacity 30%. Then first apply opacity 100%. Then apply 30% something. Then save your image. Hold Ctrl, select right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster as layer. Then save your format. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.